Good morning children. Today we are going to do the exercises of brave hands. So let us all take page number 10. Okay. So let's look into the exercise. The first part is tick the correct answer. The first one, Haarlem is a park in Holland, city in Holland or village in Holland. So you can tick the correct option. So the correct answer is it's a city in Holland. Let's see the second one. Hans' friend lived on the edge of the city, by the river or in a mansion. The correct answer for this will be Hans' friend lived on the edge of the city. Okay. Now let's see the third one. Hans was walking along the river bank, along the dike, on the pavement. So you can tick the correct answer. Hans was walking along the dike. Fourth one, standing in the cold, Hans began to cry, began to scream or became cold and numb. So what is the correct answer for this? Standing in the cold, Hans became cold and numb. Okay, so hope you have done this. Now let us all move into the question answer for the same. Let's see the first question. Who was Hans? Where did he live? Hans was a kind-hearted boy. He lived in the city of Haarlem in Holland. Let's see the next question. Where had Hans gone one day? What did he notice on his way back? Hans had gone to the edge of the city to give some cakes to an old man. On the way back, he noticed that there was a small hole in the dike through which water was trickling. Okay. Let's see the next question. What did Hans do? Why did he do that? Hans saw a hole in the dike and thrust his index finger into the hole to stop the flow of water. Let's see the fourth question. Was Hans saved? Who came to help him? Hans was saved. A man saw him and he alerted the villagers who rushed to rescue the boy and repair the hole in the dike. Let's see the last question. How do we know that everyone was grateful to Hans? Everyone praised Hans and thanked him for saving the city. Okay. So now let's take page number 12. Let's get into the exercise. It's compound words, which we have already read and we have learned in the reader. Now we have to do an exercise on that. That's find 8 compound words in this word grid. The first part of each compound word is given in the box as a clue. So you can see few clues are given in the box and we have to find, compound word is made of 2 words. So now they have given the options here. So children, what you need to do is just pause the video and try to find the compound words. How many we have to find? 8, okay, from the grid. So find it and then come back. So I hope you have done it and you have found the 8 compound words. Now let's see the answer for the same. The first is cardboard. Okay. Second word is airport. Third, eyelash. Fourth, footpath. Fifth, fingertip. Sixth, earthworm. Seventh is hairdresser. And the last one is daylight. Okay. So you all have noted down, I believe. Now let's move on to the next exercise, which is phrasal verbs, again which we have already gone through in the reader. Now let's do the activity for the same. Match the phrasal verbs in column A with their meanings in column B. Then write a sentence using each phrasal verbs. Now children, again you can pause the video, you can try to match the phrasal verb and its meaning, okay, and once you are done with it, come back, we will discuss the answer for the same. So, I hope you have done it. Let us see the correct answers for the phrasal verbs given here. First one, take up. So, the answer for the word take up will be, phrasal word will be accept, okay. Second one, take off. Answer will be start flying. Third one, take down. The correct answer is write something. Fourth one, take in. The correct answer is let someone stay at one's house. Last one, take apart. The correct answer is to break an object into pieces. So, fine, you have noted it correctly, whatever mistakes you have done, you have corrected it. Now, you have to make a sentence from these phrasal verbs which we have seen. You have to use these phrasal verbs and you have to make a sentence of it. So, children, this you can do it as a homework, okay. So, you have to use all the 5 phrasal verbs in a sentence, okay. So, make 5 sentences of it. So, do it as a homework. Now, let us move on to the other part of grammar, that is types of pronouns which we have already learned. We have 3 types of pronouns: personal, possessive and demonstrative, okay. Now, here let us read the sentences given below. We have to underline the pronouns from each sentences and we have to mention their which type of pronouns they are. We have to mention that in the fill in the blanks which is given towards the right hand side. The first one, we showed Zainab around the school. So, children, you can try finding the pronouns from the sentence. You can underline that word and mention what type of pronoun it is. Let us see the first one. See here, we showed Zainab around the school. So, in this sentence we have we, it is a pronoun, and what type of pronoun we is? It is a personal, okay. So, you have to write personal in the blanks and you have to underline the word we. So, likewise, let us see the second one, you try to do by yourself, okay. Second one, these books are hers. So, let us see, in this sentence we have to underline 2 words, these as well as hers. So, here these are demonstrative pronouns and hers are possessive. So, you have to write that in the blanks, okay, and underline these words, these and hers. Now, let us see the third one, this book is mine. You try to do it. So, let us see, in this sentence again this word we have to underline and mine. So, this is demonstrative and mine is possessive, okay. Hope you understood, you are getting it. Fourth one, are these your crayons? So, again here which word will be we have to underline? These, right, and these are demonstrative, okay, mention that in the blanks. Now, let us see the fifth one, they are absent today. So, the correct answer will be, in this sentence we have to underline they, which means it is a personal pronoun, okay. Now, sixth one, is this bag yours? So, underline the words. So, here we have 2 words, this and yours. So, this is a demonstrative and yours is a possessive, okay. Let us see the seventh one, he has gone to the dentist. So, in this sentence he is the word and it is a personal, okay. Now, let us see the last one, that chair is mine. So, again the words we have to underline is that and mine. That is a demonstrative and mine is a possessive, okay. So, hope you all got it and have done it. Let's move on to the next page. It's simple present tense. Complete the crossword with the simple present tense from the form of the verbs given in brackets. Okay. So, children, you have to complete this crossword across and down. The first you have to do is the across. You read the sentence, the options are given. Okay. So, try to fill it. You can pause the video and try to do by yourself. Once you are done, please come back and then we will discuss the answers. So, hope you have done it. Let's see the first one. He speaks very softly. Okay. The first one is he speaks very softly. Third one, they drive to work. Drive. Okay. Answer is. Fourth one, he brushes his teeth before going to bed. Fifth one, we buy grocery from this shop. Seventh, Sana wakes up at 6 in the morning. Eighth one, Tarun takes piano classes every Sunday. So, hope you have all got the correct words. Now, let's see the down crossword. First one, do you know where she studies? Second, Tina exercises every day. Third one, I hope no one disturbs me now. Disturbs. Okay, the answer is disturbs. Sixth one, the baker bakes a cake. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next page. Here, we have already read a story of good neighbors, right? In that, you have seen Jack and Naoko did a group work and they finished their snowman. So, likewise, have you ever worked in a team and succeeded? Share your experience. So, children, for this, you can share your experience with your parent or your siblings or maybe your friend who stays next to you. You can send us an audio clip of the same to our WhatsApp number. Okay, do this as your homework. So, now let's move on to the next exercise part, that's punctuation. Rewrite the paragraph using the apostrophe wherever required. So, children, you can read this paragraph and rewrite this paragraph where you have to add the apostrophe wherever it is required, whichever word it is required. Okay. So, do this also as a homework. Okay. Now, let us move on to the other. It is a poster making, it is an activity for the day. Like, imagine that you are a part of your school's nature club. Design a poster for a nature walk organized by the club. Okay. You can use the hints given below. Based on that, make a poster. You have to design a poster. Okay. So, do this as a homework and do send us the picture of it to our WhatsApp number. So, this is the activity for the day, and rest along with it you can do the homework which is given. By this, we are ending this chapter. So, we will meet up in the next class. Children, till then, take care and bye.